I'm Mohammed. I'm an international student from Bangladesh. Currently, I'm studying Masters of Animal Science, majoring in wildlife biology at the University of Queensland, and I'm based in Gatton Campus. I always loved animals, that's why I decided to pursue a career in wildlife. UQ is offering one of the best course, wildlife biology, by providing you with practical courses and also field trips. I actually went into the real wildlife to search for echidnas and other wild animals by setting camera traps, which was actually part of my research project. And also UQ have a wildlife research center at Hidden Vale, which will equip you with the best strategy of the wildlife management and husbandry. There are plenty of clubs in Gatton Campus. One of my favorite clubs is UQ Wildlife Association. They actually arrange a lot of field trips and also so many volunteer opportunities and workshops related to wildlife. When I first come to UQ, I had no idea about what I should do, how I should design my study plan, and how I should choose professor for my research project. This Get Set Club basically helped me by answering all of my questions. That's why I got the opportunity to have a research work with the echidnas, with the wildlife. That is really amazing.